Hey everyone, welcome back to Quantum Revenue. If you want to learn how to make money online using AI and smart strategies, you're in the right place. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let's start building your income today. What if you could make money using AI, even if you have zero skills? In this video, I'll show you a simple method beginners are using to earn online. Businesses need content like blog posts and ads. And instead of doing it manually, you can use AI tools. First, we'll use AI to generate content in seconds. You just enter a prompt and AI creates content instantly. Now you can sell this content online to businesses that need it. Step 1. Create an account. Step 2. Create a simple gig. Step 3. When you get an order, generate content using AI and deliver it. People are charging $10 to $50 per order, depending on the work. This isn't instant money, but with consistency, it can grow. If you're a beginner, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. And this is just one method. There are more like this.